Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the history of the Sonic movies. So, the Sonic movies began in 2014 with the production of the first Sonic movie. I don't have a poster for the first Sonic movie, so you can just act like that's the poster for the first movie. Now, Sony greenlit the film, and then they decided they didn't want it anymore. So they put the movie in turnaround, which technically just means that they sort of cancel the movie temporarily until another studio picks it up. And Paramount wanted the movie, and they picked it up, and then they decided to make Sonic more realistic. And the angry fans of Twitter did not like that. So they redesigned Sonic. And that sparked a successful franchise. It's them making Sonic 2 and Sonic 3. I am filming this on a Sony camcorder from 2009.
Oh my jeepers creepers, why did we need that information?
Okay.